Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and set up Sequelize with MySQL step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Node.js installed on your machine. You can download Node.js from the official website. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Create a new directory for your project. Navigate into the directory using the command line. Run npm init to initialize a new Node.js project. Next, install Sequelize by running npm install Sequelize. For MySQL support, you also need to install the MySQL driver. Use the command npm install MySQL2 for this purpose. Now that Sequelize and the MySQL driver are installed, create a new file for your setup. You can name this file something like database.js. Open the database.js file in your preferred code editor. At the top of the file, import Sequelize by adding the following line, const Sequelize equals require Sequelize. Next, create a new instance of Sequelize. You'll need to provide your database name, username, and password. For example, you can initialize it like this, const Sequelize equals new Sequelize, database underscore name, username, password, dialect, MySQL. To test the connection, use the Sequelize.authenticate method. Wrap this method in an asynchronous function. You can log a success message or an error message based on the connection attempt. Use console.log, connection has been established successfully, for a successful connection. For an error, use console.error, unable to connect to the database, error. Call your asynchronous function to initiate the connection test. Make sure to handle any potential errors during this process. Once confirmed, your Sequelize setup with MySQL is ready to go. You can now start building your models and interacting with your database. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.